Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you a few recipes which are healthy and easy to make. This one is called mapo tofu. You will just need to heat the pan, add in oil, cut tofu into slices, put in tofu, put minced garlic in the pan, and add in douban sauce, oyster, soy sauce, and boom, there we go. Oh, a little touch of green onion on the top if you have them. This dish is for people who like Sichuan style spicy, and it goes on well with rice. If you don't like spicy, it's totally fine. I'll introduce you more other recipes in the rest of the video. Keep on watching. Here I'm also having some rice on the side and some stir-fried cabbage as a completed meal. Bon appetit! Hey, this one is a healthy version of orange chicken. As you can tell, the way how to make it is that heat the pan, drip in oil, put in sliced chicken, tomato sauce, sugar, salt, black pepper, a little bit of black pepper, and then stir them evenly until fully cooked. If you like a little bit sour, I recommend putting some vinegar, white vinegar inside. It will enhance the flavor. Here I'm making dumplings. Now the first step is to do the fillings. As you can see, a little ball inside of the camera which has grounded beef and some veggies. Could be a little onion, as you can see on the cutting board, or a little greens like chopped up celery, any type of veggies that you want, or little cubes of carrots. I'm just adding salt, soy sauce, and a little bit oyster sauce onto the fillings and mix the whole thing up. Now we're moving on to making the skin of the dumplings. Recently I just got a whole new bag of flour, so if you also have flour at home, you can use that, adding on some warm water. You don't need yeast in this situation, so just water and flour, and roll them into a dough. Separate the dough into small cubes like this, you can see on the counter, and roll them into a little ball. And if you have a dumpling skin roller, you can take it out. As you can see, the roller just looks like the one I am using. So basically put the little ball onto the counter and then pressure a little bit onto it and make it to a very even, rounded, like a small flattened pie. After you made the skin, now it's time to put your fancy fillings in. So basically you can make any type of fillings, any combination, the flavor that you want. And so now I am going to put a spoonful of fillings onto the skin, and then I'm going to close it up. It will be looking like this. The one my husband made is just so funny. here I'm trying to help fix the dumpling because it's not closed quite yet, so I try to help to close it up so when you put into boiling water it won't let the fillings leak. Okay, now after 2 hours we had used up all the fillings as well as the flour dough we used, so here it is, all the dumplings we made. We are so proud and fingers crossed, hopefully it turns out also very tasty. It's very juicy inside, so I wish I could add in more salt, but in general it tastes delicious. So I hope you also had your dumplings done, and leave a comment down below if you have made it. I'm so happy to share with you all 3 recipes in this video. Hope you like it, and I will see you next time. Bye!